giving it.
Dylan loves his Ritz crackers. Observe.
Gotta wait for it to be finished. So no giggle that time, but it was still good.
Are you so excited for your Ritz crackers? He's holding all of them.
Dylan, say yay! Making a sandwich. There's like so many possibilities.
I wonder what he's looking at.
He's so focused.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
It's like smash it.
More? Finish what you have, please. Would you like some milk?
He's like, I can't chew it.
Here. Have some milk.
I bet he could break the world record for saltines. And they say you can only eat 6. Somebody loves crackers. This music is so random.
Your mouth a little dry? He looks pained, and yet he just keeps going.
He's like, but they're so yummy.
Let's see if he'll do it.
Fine.
Here, you give him one. You give him one, and I'll give him one. Okay, ready? Are you excited?
He says, I know what to do with them now.
Alright. Lackluster, Dylan.
Hey, drink some milk. Can you use the cracker to push more crackers?